Today I'm going to teach you how to delete all your Google search in search history. So first open your Google, www.google.com, in your phone or in your PC, wherever you want to delete your history. Go to the top 3 lines over here. Sorry, go to your profile picture. Then go and click on your profile picture. So I'm going to go to manage your Google account. So once you're in manage your Google account, go to your data and privacy and go search down to web and activity. So once you go there, you'll go just scroll down, you'll go more scroll down and you will see manage all web activity. Click on it, and then after there is your history over here. So I'm gonna delete this by your way, or you want to delete everything. And there is a saving activity also over here, so you can just turn this off, and then after you can do that. And there's deleting older than 18 months, you can do that also. And this is all my history, so I can delete it by filtering. You can cross it and delete it. So filter by date, I'm just gonna click this. Now you can just go ahead and delete. So there's last hours, there's always function, and you can see your Google history. Yeah, you can just auto delete it. So you can go ahead and delete the range as well. So this is last hour, last days, always. So this is how you can just select and deselect the things that you have searched. Custom range, you can just custom date, add, and always you can just select all to delete and go next to delete and choose whatever you want to delete, whatever you don't want to delete. So that's how you do it. Thank you so much for watching.